Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 15th to the 17th of December 2025 on Monday. Bishop Hlophe defends her daughter's honor and put himself at odds with the law. Mpumi's wounded pride gets in the way of business. Ishmael makes a sacrifice for Fisto's future on Tuesday. Bongo takes a big bold step to right his wrong while Mpumi shoots her shot with Felicia. Wendy implores Gabriel to wake up before he loses another artist to Genesis on Wednesday. Maruna's desperation boils over and she decides to take matters into her own hand. The two matriarchs unite not just in emotion but in spiritual warfare for their children's future. What began as a dinner turns into a delicate, a dangerous proposition. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.